Okay. Rizal Red Eagles. None of the Rizal Red Eagles. Under 9 category, Rizal Red Eagles. Please proceed here sa upon stage for your awarding ceremony.
Labas, pas! Delay! Ora to. Intar dyan. Pantay ka dyan.
Okay, na to ang Rizal Red Eagles football team under 9 and
Score 2-0.
Intangibles under 9. Black Rose. Okay na.
Bracket E, field number 5, boys 18 category, please proceed to field 5, Black Rose Davao versus Sam 23. Black Rose Davao versus Sam 23, field number 5, please proceed now.
Okay na ko. Okay, now for the U9 category, awarding for second runner-up, Intangibles. Requesting the presence of Ate Joy Sendon.